Ito ang mainit na balita at trending ngayon sa mundo ng social media. Mainit na sagutan na uwi sa laglagan? Ano nga bang dahilan? Well, let's find out. Malaking tanong, bakit nga ba hindi inabisuhan ng Kongreso sa pangunguna ni Speaker Martin ang Senado tungkol sa People Initiative? At bakit gumalaw agad ng Kongreso nang hindi man lang nalalaman di umano ng Pangulo at ng Senado?
The Congress already filed more than 300 resolutions regarding charter change, but all those 300 resolutions were ignored by the Senate.
And just
Yun lang sabi sa akin.
Sino ho nagsabi sa inyo?
Yung mga kasamahan namin.
Like who?
Congressman Garbin, Congressman, and then my lawyers, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez.
Yung mga nilapitan nyo.
Kaya gagawin daw jointly na dahil hindi binabasura lang ng Senado lahat ng mga resolution about charter change.
Dahil nga sa rason ni pirma head-on Yate, abay lalong uminit ang ulo ng mga senador. Narito ang detalye.
Yung unang-una, yung ad na pinalabas nyo, yung EDSA Puera, very misleading kasi hindi naman yun yung tanong nung PI eh. Diba? Wala naman ditong education, walang dun sa commercial nyo. So, kumbaga may disconnect na dun sa ginagawa niyong communication, dun sa actual na pinapipirma.
The reason why it's only voting jointly is because in the People's Initiative, we can only propose one item. So the reason why they zeroed in, it was explained to me, I'm not a lawyer, okay? It was explained to me.
Who explained to you? Who explained to you? Sir Noel,
voting jointly,
hindi nga, sino ho napaliwanag sa inyo?
That the Senate and the House will be combined in a constituent assembly. And then, the senators and the congressmen will no longer be senators and congressmen, they will be constituent assemblymen.
Sino ho nagturo sa inyo niyan? Si Attorney Abad ho ba ang nagpaliwanag sa inyo na ganyan?
No, some of the other proponents of People's Initiative.
Like who po? Sino po?
Constituent Assembly.
You are not answering the question, Mr. Oñate. Please listen to the question of Senator Senator Binay.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong yung...
tinatanong ka kung sino. Please answer.
I know her. Okay. Yes.
Hindi nga.
Tinatanong ka lang ho kung sino ho yung kasi apparently, hindi nyo alam na para may kailangan may magpaliwanag sa inyo kung bakit ito yung proposal. So, sino ho yung nag-convince sa inyo para ito yung itanong? Was it Attorney Garbin? Was it Attorney Abad? Was it
my
Attorney
lawyers,
Avisado?
Madam Chair, my understanding was when this was discussed,
Who discussed it?
The group, we are only allowed to propose amendments on one subject. And there is a sentiment which was expressed during the last hearing that the door to charter change has always been closed from the House to the Senate. Sarado ho yung pintuan. And the best way is to propose amendment on the... Yan po yung testimony, not personally, Mr. Senator, yan ho yung testimony ni Attorney Garbin, who was the former...
From the very beginning, there was really an intention to castrate the Senate. Yun talaga gusto ninyo kasi jointly kagad ang pinasok mo.
Wait, so si Attorney Garbin ho nag-isip, si Congressman Garbin.
The group ho, kasi Attorney Garbin happened to be the former chairman of constitutional reforms in Congress. So, and also in the interviews of former Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, yun din po yung sentiment. That's why it was a consensus of that group that to propose amendments through People's Initiative, since one subject lang naman kami, itong voting requirement na. It may be very unpopular and very antagonistic on the Senate. Pasensya na po talaga ho kayo. But that is the campaign of the group on People's Initiative. Thank you po.
And hindi ho kayo nagsalita na Attorney Abad na, I mean, dun sa group wala man lang nagsabi na, wait lang ha, baka magkaroon ng resistance kasi ilulusaw natin yung dinidiminish natin yung power ng Senate. Kasi hindi lang voting jointly, pati yung provision na dapat Speaker and Senate President yung pwedeng mag-call. Ginawa niyong Speaker or Senate President. So talagang there was that intent to diminish the power of the Senate, which runs against the spirit of the Constitution na kailangan bicameral yung setup ng House at ng Senado.
I had no hand in the drafting of the signature form.
But you agreed to it. Tama po ba? You agreed to this provision. Tama po ba? Naniniwala kayo na...
Voting jointly. Because there will be a constituent assembly composed of congressmen and senators, and they will be the ones that will discuss all of the possible changes, economic, and so on. And I
Hindi
believe
po
that...
ba may interview kayo? You had an interview where you stated that deliberately you included jointly in order to diminish the
No, the
potentially
interviewer asked me,
antagonistic votes of the Senate.
interviewer asked me, so madadilute ang Senate dyan. So I said,
Oo.
yes, nadadilute. But I believe that congressmen and senators, they are highly educated, they are
Ang
bright
tanong ko lang ho,
people.
bakit wala ho kayo-
They are not robots.
Actually,
they,
Mr.
they
Hernandez,
are not
parang sinabi
robots.
po
And
ninyo
then
na
they will
nasa
discuss,
Diyo.
debate, and argue.
Hindi, ang tanong ko lang din ho, bakit wala kayong kinausap sa Senado? I've heard names from Congress, but I've never heard na may kinausap kayong former senator
Daming
or incumbent
pro-chacha rito.
senator.
Ang daming pro-economic provisions. Hindi rin tutol ang karamihan sa PI kasi nasa saligang batas. Bakit nga kami hindi kinausap?
No, bakit hindi niyo ho kami kinausap?
Oo,
Why
balikan
senators were not
natin.
consulted considering na malaking epekto itong ginawa nilang provision. Siguro Attorney Abad or or Mr. Oñate. Bakit hindi ho?
What's the question again, Madam Senadora?
Hindi kasi parang di ba ho, nag-meeting kayo with the speaker. How come there was no effort to meet with the Senate President?
I was told that Congress already filed more than 300 resolutions regarding charter change, but all those 300 resolutions were ignored by the Senate.
And just
Yun ang
because,
sabi sa akin.
sino ho nagsabi sa inyo?
Yung mga kasamahan namin.
Like who?
Congressman Garbin, Congressman, and then my lawyers, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez.
Yung mga nilapitan nyo,
Kaya gagawin daw jointly na dahil hindi binabasura lang ng Senado lahat ng mga resolution about charter change. 300 plus na daw.
tapos naniwala ho,
Hindi ko alam.
tapos naniwala ho kayo sa kanila. I mean, you didn't even bother, di ba? Malay nyo, itong present setup ng Senado, mas open sa usapin ng charter change. Was there an effort or no effort at all?
I just believed what they told me.
Very clear naman, Madam Chair, Senator Nancy, na gusto talaga nila tayong i-blind. The mere fact na inupakan nila yung PI na yan during our break, talagang may masamang intensyon. Very clear. Very clear.
So kung nagsaksi to, what was the next step? What provisions were you supposed to change in the Constitution? Or ang end goal is talagang palitan na yung Constitution?
What I understood was this one body now, wherein everybody will now be called constituent assemblymen, will be the one that will debate and will be the one that will discourse, will be the one...
Pero Mr. Hernandez, kailangan may end goal ho kayo eh. Ano yung end goal? Ano yung provisions na gusto nyong palitan sa Constitution? Or totally gusto nyo nang palitan yung Constitution?
That will be decided by the constituent assembly.
I mean, parang pinapaubayan nyo na dun sa Constitution.
Yeah, well, me personally, yes.
Why?
Because I believe that congressmen and senators are bright people. They studied in Harvard, Yale, they graduated in Ateneo, LaSalle, UP.
So technically, hindi nyo pa ho alam kung anong gusto nyo palitan sa
They are
Constitution.
not puppets, they are not robots. So I think
So,
that they
very
are
clear, Mr.
capable.
Oñate, na ang purpose mo lang kaya ka sumama dito sa PI is to castrate the Senate. Wala ka palang habol dun sa kung anong magiging kalalabasan na mga amendments sa Constitution. Gusto mo lang talagang kami i-castrate.
Senator De La Rosa is it's gonna be a constituent assembly.
Kaya nga, kasi doon ka lang nakapokus eh. Nakapokus ka lang doon sa itong seksyon na ito eh. Na gusto mong voting jointly. And then afterwards, gusto mo, bahala na sila. So wala ka palang...
I don't know what's gonna happen there, but all of you will be constituent assemblymen, and it will be you yourself.
So yung grupo nyo,
that will discuss everything.
Hindi alam kung ano yung papalitan sa kung ano yung details na papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Yeah, because in
Basta ang
the
importante
ultimate,
lang,
analysis, it will be the
Basta ang
Constituent
importante lang
Assembly that will
maalis
decide
yung,
everything.
ma-diminish yung power of the Senate.
Madam Chair, Senator Binay, if I may just add, in our TV advertisement, nakalagay ho doon yung mga areas
Yeah,
of concern.
pero that is
Yun po yung
yung ad
poverty,
nyo.
yun po yung
But
education,
your ad
foreign
does not
investments.
have any connection with the question. I'm sorry. Walang ka-connect
Yes po, you are correct. Because kung hindi
So, wag na
mabuksan
natin-
yung pintuan, useless po lahat yung ipupush
Yeah,
namin
pero
na
you created
na
the
advertisement.
impression na yun yung papalitan. Yun yung PI nyo. When it's not. It's not wala dito nakasulat about education. Technically, pag natuloy ito, pwede na tayong parliamentary system of government, di ba? Anything can happen.
Madam
Tama?
Chair, okay, ganito po yan. Ang pagkakapaliwanag sa amin ng aming creative consultant, si Mr. Greg Garcia, any campaign, ang unang-unang move is to catch public attention. Yun ho yung purpose. And with all humility,
your campaign
na kapag...
wait, I'm sorry yung kampanya nyo should educate the people about your
Yes po,
initiative.
yes po. Yun
And
ho yung
that
second
is-
stage namin. Meron ho kami, inabutan na lang ho nito
Eh di
lahat.
sana gumawa
But
kayo
in
ng
fact,
ad. Gumawa kayo ng ad na sinasabi talaga na ito yung
meron
yung
ho kaming
Senado.
nakasunod. Marami po sunod-sunod dapat po yun na Madam Senator. In fact, Mr. Onyate, ang kanyang focus...
Yeah, pero sinasabi nga ni Atty. Oñate, bahala na yung Constitutional Assembly kung ano yung papalitan dun sa Constitution.
Senator Nancy, if
diba?
I may.
Yes,
If
go
I
ahead.
may. Alam mo, Atty. Sabi mo, you want to get public attention through deception? Yung ba ibig mong sabihin?
Hindi po,
Kasi,
sir.
oh,
Never our intention.
Yeah, very clear. Yung laman ng inyong ad is puro mga Edsapuera, ganon-ganon. Pero ang laman ng inyong PI, Section 17, Article 1, Section 1, Article 17, yun ang laman. At suportahan ninyo ang PI para ganito, ganon. Tapos ang laman ng pinapapirma ninyo, i-diminish ang power ng Senado.
We apologize. We understand your frustration, Senator De La Rosa. That was not our intention. Meron ho kaming second stage, yung public information campaign. Meron pa rin ho sana kaming ilalabas ng mga ads.
How much
prepare
was
na
that?
po.
Pero yung una, panlilin lang. Di ba napaka-dami natin, 2023 Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability. Di ba? Lahat kayo, abogado. Section 12, Canon 2, lawyers must be informed. Nambobola kayo Kitang-kita yung TV ad. Nakita mismo itong form na walang katuturan. Linilin lang, sinusuhulan yung tao. Nasa Code of Conduct ba yan ng matinong abogado?